Hey there! Have you ever encountered the problem of Google Chrome unexpectedly enabling Google Lens after the August 2024 update? It can be quite frustrating when you're just trying to search on Chrome and suddenly find Google Lens in your way, right? Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. What you need to do is go to Chrome, flags in your Google Chrome browser and search for Lens Overlay, where you can directly visit Chrome. Flags hashtag enable lens overlay. Once you've found it, simply change the setting to disabled and make sure to relaunch your Google Chrome browser. This should help you get rid of the unwanted Google Lens when searching using Google Chrome. In summary, if you're facing the problem of Google Lens interfering with your searches on Google Chrome, fear not. Just head over to Chrome, Flags, disable the Lens Overlay feature, and relaunch your browser for a hassle-free search experience. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks.